excited for today here at Pursell Farms. We're here in partnership with Podium and Train and a lot of contractors. We're excited for today.
You know, just showing up to the Superpath Podium Lunch and Learn today, it's going to bring a lot of value to my guys, and particularly due to the marketing aspect of it. A lot of these guys are smaller to medium-sized companies that are looking for that growth. With Superpath, generating the leads, growing their company is obviously their top end goal.
Partnering with Superpath and Air Engineers has been amazing. Being able to talk to dealers about our new products has been a lot of fun, and really looking forward to going shooting this afternoon.
Right on line.
Today's been an awesome day. We've had great conversation, great food, great events. We really appreciate you being here.